If I go to the dashboard, you have login with the Play Store, Google Play Store. So I'm going to release the first version, the production version. It's saying select your countries, create the release. Fine, I have already selected the countries. All the countries I have selected. So just create the release. If you click on this one, it will redirect you from here to this one. Fine. Just select the countries you have, all the targeted countries I have selected. So this is the open list version. Fine. We are not going to use the open list. We are going to use the production. So this is the production. Just click on this one. Similarly, we click on the release. If you click on the edit release, so now here you can place the bundle or the AAV file and just write the name of the release and the notes of the release. Fine. So I'm saying this is the name of the release. So this is name and this is the content. So now I have to create the AAV file. Now, if you go to the Gradle Android app build.gradle, as you can see, the version 4 is 4. I'm saying now it's 5. The version is 1.0.0. This is the ancient version, similar to this one. And now, what you need to just comment this one and uncomment the release one, where you can check these things. You have to go to the React Native official website. So click on the publish to Google Play Store. S- Follow these steps. Fine, you have to generate the keystore. You must have Java. Fine. So when you are generating the keystore, you may have some kind of questions and also the problem. Now here you have to place the code, and now you have to use the configurations release. As you can see, configurations release. Fine. Then you have to execute this particular code. Okay, I'm going to click on the terminal. I'm going to click on the top. If you check this one, so one sec. Android, the Android, and this is the build and app build, and you have the output, and you have the APK files. Yeah, I'm going to paste this one and click this one. Now I'm creating the APK file. You just check the process. So this is the performance. This is what the CPU is using. That means it's now generating. It's totally depend upon your PC. So I have the plus 15, 12 simulation. Now, if you go to the app and build output, bundle, release. So this is your AV file. So just drag and drop your AV file from here to here. Drag and drop. So 47 MB files. So wait for a few seconds until we upload this particular bundle or the AV file in this production release. Make sure this is the production school. And also make sure if you go to the test, you have to click on this one. So you have to pass this particular test before going to the production version. So let's suppose if you are going to pass this one, so it will give you some kind of days, that 14 days, and also 12 persons you have to give the test, or the 12 testers, or the 12 links you have to share with your persons for the 14 days. Okay, now as you can see, you have name, you have release note, you have uploaded the AAV file. So if you click on this one next button, one warning, there is fines, but this is just a warning. So release note, this is the release note, and you are going to upload this particular one. Size of updates, it's still working. Just save this one. Go to overview. I'm saying publish changes, publish changes. Now, so wait for a few seconds until unless you will have the notifications. So it's currently under review. So you have to wait until unless they have approved this one. You will definitely have the email, or they will send you the email address or the successful message on your email address.